How's it going, everybody? I hope you are having a great day. Let's see how you can make an offer on OpenSea. So to make an offer, you will need to have some wrapped Ethereum. To wrap your ETH, I made another video about it. And in this instance, I'm gonna be using OpenSea Pro because that's where I have my wrapped Ethereum. As you can see, I have 1.0.9, and I looked at a collection called My Curio cards, which is the very first art-based NFT collection on the Ethereum blockchain, and I assume that this will have some good value in the future. So I looked at a particular NFT that I want to make an offer on, this apple. I go on details, and to make an offer I need to click this icon, and my offer price is 0.9 ETH. It is warning me that it's significantly above the floor price, but it's not a problem because I know this worth more. And as you can see, the top offer is around 1 Ethereum as well, but I don't want to make the best offer. I just want to make an offer now for the long term. If the price decreases a little bit, I would be able to get my hands on this number one apple for a decent price. This is the quantity that you want to buy. I just go with one, and the date of my offer, I run it for a month, and I need to click approve offer. Now MetaMask asks me to sign my transaction, and I have my cold wallet ledger here. I need to approve the transaction here as well. It looks like I approved it, and yes, offer is created. I can check my offers in this window. As you can see, it's there, and the top offer is 1.2, and if I want to buy it instantly, I would need this amount of Ethereum, but I'm willing to wait a little bit. Also, if you want to do this on the OpenSea website, you just do exactly the same. Go on the collection, search for your NFT. It's right here. As you can see, the apples, and the current asking price is this. This means that if you want to get it instantly, you can get it for this price, and you can see the offers right here, and mine should be here as well already, but it might need some time to update the site. So that was it. I hope it was useful for you. See you guys in another video. Ciao.